of time. Whispers rise a hidden sigh. The veil grows thin, the heart breaks free, revealing all that's meant to be. Waves of awakening, soft and wide, carrying truth on the shifting tide. The old dissolves, the new begins. A deeper peace now flows within.